Okay, welcome to this brand new Natron tutorial. Today I want to show you how to make a damaged camera effect. This can be quite useful and it's super easy, it takes no time at all. So let's get started. I've just opened a whole new scene. We're in Natron, I don't know which version. But let's just import our footage. For this I'm going to use something I'm working on. And it's just a really weird thing I made in Blender. I'm making a short film. Yeah, it's pretty freaky. We're gonna try and turn this into an old looking damaged sort of 90s style camera that has been like dropped in the water or it's just damaged. So we press tab to bring up our search bar and we search for plasma draw. We just click on this and as you can see we have all these loads of insane noisy shapes here. I believe you can go up to here. You can find it here as well, plasma. Right then, we're gonna have to change some of these settings. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is go over to this window here that says this tab window, and first thing we can do is we can turn the offset and change some of these to a liking. I leave the offset at 0. I bring the scale down a hell of a lot, something like that, and we can bring the alpha down as well depending on how much damage we want. If it's like really damaged, and I could bring it like this, but it's crazy amount of noise. We can't really see anything, but we can bring the scale down, and as you can see with the scale down a bit you can actually see it's looking not too bad. We've all got this like noisy colored damage sort of effect. And if we bring the alpha down a bit here and let it just reload there, now you can see if you want just a subtle amount of noise in your video, if you're trying to recreate a sort of a specific style that you want, or just want to add to your story, or whatever your needs are, you can change these settings. What I would do is just change the alpha and change the scale. Those are the only two settings that I'll tweak if I were you, to get the look that you're looking for, because the rest it doesn't help that much. I mean it doesn't, for this certain effect you don't need to move any of these other parameters or anything. And we can also obviously use masks and things to only get a specific proportion of the screen to apply that noise to it. Anyway, this is it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully.